Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to solder a sensor for a project I'm planning to do quite a long time now. This is a water humidity sensor and it's a capacitive type. There are two types of these sensors, a normal resistive type and a capacitive type. We are going to talk about how this works a bit later when we soldered it. Basically this comes from a kit I've bought. There are the parts for the sensor PCB, and there's also a frequency divider, so you can read it out with a Raspberry Pi, for example. I'm planning to build a automated greenhouse controller, and therefore I will use this sensor with additional other sensors. This sensor is from an Austrian company called Ramsa Electro. I haven't got anything from this company. I just thought it's a good sensor. It looks very well made. The PCB is coated on the down right part here, and I'm going to solder it. Okay, now that everything is soldered together, we are going to talk about the function of the sensor. The sensor is quite the same as a variable capacitor. In this part of the PCB, there are two conducting fields, I say. You can see it here and here. These two fields are the same as two plates of a capacitor. The circuit above charges the capacitor till it's full, and then it unloads it, or it discharges it again. And with this on the output pin, we can get the frequency of the charge and the discharge. So we basically, the output is a frequency. On the oscilloscope we can see the current frequency. At the moment it's about 19 kilohertz. And now when I go near the sensor, you see that the frequency falls a bit, very slowly. When I go nearer to the sensor, the frequency falls more. This is because my hand acts as an electrolyte here, and the capacity of the capacitor gets a little bit more, so the charging duration is higher and the discharging duration is higher. When I go completely near, that I touch the sensor with my whole hand, the frequency goes down to about 1.9 kilohertz. And when I lift my hand again, the frequency lifts also. This means you can put the sensor in some soil or in the soil of your plant, and when you water it, the capacity of the sensor gets higher and the frequency gets lower, and therefore you can measure the wetness of your soil. I hope this was useful to you. I'm planning to build the controller for the greenhouse in the next time, and I will keep you up to date. Thank you very much for watching this video.